Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now look at this equation. The question is x to the power 7 plus x to the power 3 upon x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 is equals to 7 upon 2, and we have to find the value of x. Now let's see how do we proceed in this question. We will be dividing the numerator and the denominator with x to the power 5. So here we get x to the power 7 minus 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5 minus 3 upon x to the power 6 minus 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5 minus 4 is equals to 7 upon 2. So in the numerator we get x square. In the numerator we get x square plus 1 upon x square divided by x plus 1 upon x is equals to 7 upon 2. Now as you know that x plus 1 upon x whole square is equals to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, or you can say if you just bring x square plus 1 upon x square, so you get x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. So these are the two equivalencies. So we will replace that x square plus 1 upon x square with x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2 upon x plus 1 upon x is equals to 7 upon 2. Now let's assume that x plus 1 upon x is equals to m. So we have m square minus 2 upon m is equals to 7 upon 2. Now multiply, cross multiply, so you get 2 m square minus 2 is equals to 7 into m, or you can say that 2m square minus 4 is equals to 7m. Now bring 7m on left hand side so its sign gets changed and you get this quadratic equation. Now we can find the factors of this quadratic equation by breaking the middle term. So the factors will be 8m and plus minus 8m and plus m. Out of these two terms, take out 2m common, so we are left with m minus 4 plus 1 is taken out, n minus 4 is equals to 0. Now out of these two terms, m minus 4 is common, so you have 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have two possibilities, m minus 4 is equals to 0 or 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. Or you can say m is equals to 4, and here you have 2m is equals to minus 1 or m is equals to minus 1 upon 2. But since we assumed that m is equals to x plus 1 upon x, replacing this, you get x plus 1 upon x is equals to 4, and here you get x plus 1 upon x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. As it is mentioned in the question that x is positive. So positive number when added with another positive number, it cannot be equal to a negative number. So we reject this value or this possibility of x plus 1 upon x, and we are going to simplify this. So here you have x square plus 1 is equals to 4, or you can say x square plus 1 is equals to 4x. So here we have x square, just bring 4x on left hand side. So now this is a quadratic equation. So just comparing this with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we have a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is equals to 1. Now applying the quadratic formula here, x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now putting the values, 4, a is 1, c is 1 upon 2 into 1. So we have x is equals to 4 plus minus, this is 16 minus 4 upon 2. Further, x is equals to 4 plus minus, you have under root 12 upon 2, or x is equals to 4 plus minus, this 12 can be written as 4 into 3 upon 2. X is equals to 4 plus minus, so 4 is a perfect square of 2, so 2 under root 3 upon 2. Just take out 2 common, so you have 2 plus minus under root 3 upon 2. This 2 get cancelled. So the two possible values of x after solving this question are 2 plus minus under root 3. And this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.